Hey there! Today, we're diving into the Buygoods affiliate program, the ultimate tool to supercharge your online sales since 2005. Whether you're a product owner or an affiliate, Buygoods has everything you need to succeed. Let's get started. With a track record of helping sell more online since 2005, Buygoods offer an all-in-one platform for product owners and advertisers. From sales tracking to analytics, reporting, and seamless advertiser management, it's your go-to platform to boost your online sales. And the best part, everything is conveniently packed into one simple platform. For product owners and advertisers, Buygoods provide 10 plus sales boosting tools, tracking, analytics, automated reporting, and a publisher marketplace. From custom checkout pages to order fulfillment and white glove back office support. It's the full package to optimize your sales funnel and skyrocket your online sales. As a publisher or affiliate, Buygoods offer the opportunity to drive more traffic and get paid up to 3 times a week. Connect directly with product owners, communicate for the best commission model, and utilize easy analytics and reporting to track your progress. With 24/7 white glove customer support, flexible commission models, and advanced tracking tools like post-back tracking, iframe, JavaScript, Pixel, it's a game changer. Ready to start selling more online with Buygoods? Here's how you can get started. Go to the sign up page, fill in your details, and hit submit to send your access request. A Buygoods representative will reach out to you within 24 hours to help set up your account and guide you through it. Whether you're a product owner or a publisher, you can now start selling more online with Buygoods. Now, let's talk success strategies. Drive targeted traffic with Google and Facebook ads. Optimize your website for search and share your link where buyers actively seek recommendations. Consider running creative giveaways and contests to boost engagement and sales. There you have it, the Buygoods affiliate program, your key to online sales success. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, whether you're selling products or driving traffic, Buygoods has your back. Happy selling, everyone.